Welcome to the world of home improvement. Today, we're focusing on a common task, removing old wallpaper. This often overlooked project is more than just a cosmetic upgrade. It's an essential step to assess the condition of your walls before you start applying a fresh layer of wallpaper. This ensures a smooth and durable finish. And let's face it, it's always satisfying to start with a clean slate. Now, there are several methods to rid your walls of outdated wallpaper. Over the next few minutes, we'll be diving into 4 of the most popular approaches. First, we'll steam things up with the steamer method. Then, we'll explore the more natural approach using water and vinegar or fabric softener. For our third method, we'll be getting our hands on some liquid remover. And finally, we'll wrap things up with the gel remover technique. Each of these methods can safely strip about 100 square feet of wallpaper in an hour, and will guide you through each step of the process. Welcome to Serene Shelter, where we help you make your home your haven. First up, we have the steamer method. This approach is a popular choice for many, and here's why. The steamer method utilizes heat to soften the adhesive that binds the wallpaper to the wall, making it easier to peel off. It's like giving your wallpaper a warm bath before sending it on its way. But here's the trick. You need to work in sections. Think of it as a puzzle. You don't try to solve the entire thing at once, right? Instead, you focus on one piece at a time until you have the full picture. The same principle applies here. Tackle one area, let the steam do its magic, and then gently peel off the wallpaper. Patience is your best friend in this process. Rushing might lead to torn wallpaper or even damaged walls, and we definitely don't want that. The beauty of the steamer method is that it can safely remove about 100 square feet of wallpaper in an hour. So in the time it takes to watch your favorite sitcom, you could have a freshly exposed wall ready for a new look. Remember, steamers can be hot, so safety first. Moving on to our second method, the water and vinegar or fabric softener solution. This technique uses simple household items to break down the adhesive holding the wallpaper in place. First, you'll need to score the wallpaper. This means making tiny cuts in the paper to allow the solution to penetrate and loosen the adhesive. The solution itself is a mix of warm water and either vinegar or fabric softener. The vinegar or fabric softener acts as a solvent, breaking down the adhesive. Once the solution is applied, you'll need to let it soak in before you start peeling off the wallpaper. Like our previous method, this technique can also remove about 100 square feet of wallpaper in an hour. The beauty of this method is that it's all natural and safe for your home. Next, we have the liquid remover method. This approach involves using a specialized product designed to break down the adhesive that binds the wallpaper to your wall. It's a relatively simple process, but the key to success lies in strictly adhering to the instructions provided by the product manufacturer. First, you'll need to score the wallpaper, creating tiny holes that allow the liquid remover to penetrate and reach the adhesive. Then apply the liquid remover evenly across the wallpaper, ensuring that it seeps into the scored holes. Remember, patience is your best friend during this process. Let the liquid remover sit and do its magic for the time recommended on the product's label. Afterward, you should be able to peel or scrape the wallpaper off with ease. Just like the previous methods, with the liquid remover, you can expect to safely remove about 100 square feet of wallpaper in an hour. As with all chemicals, ensure you use this product in a well-ventilated area. Finally, we explore the gel remover method. This technique uses a specialized gel that is designed to break down the adhesive holding your wallpaper in place. To achieve the best results, it's crucial to apply the gel evenly across the surface of your wallpaper. You can use a paint roller or brush to do this. This method is quite effective and can help you remove about 100 square feet of wallpaper in just an hour. However, it's essential to note that patience is key when using this method. The gel needs time to work its magic and penetrate the wallpaper surface. So once you've applied the gel, let it sit for the time recommended on the product label. This waiting period allows the gel to dissolve the wallpaper adhesive, making the removal process much easier. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to bid farewell to that old wallpaper. With the gel method, remember to let it sit for the time recommended on the product label. And there you have it, 4 easy ways to remove wallpaper. Let's do a quick recap. We've covered the steamer method using water and vinegar or fabric softener, the liquid remover, and the gel remover techniques. Each of these methods can safely tackle about 100 square feet of wallpaper in an hour. But remember, it's not a race. Patience is key. Work in sections and take your time. And don't forget about safety. Protect your floors and clear the walls of any items before you start. It's all part of the process. It's always recommended to remove old wallpaper before adding new wallpaper. This gives you a chance to assess the wall's condition and ensure the best results. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe to Serene Shelter. Until next time, happy home improving!